Hello everyone, welcome to another video. By pressing the Ctrl+J you will create a 2 duplicate layers. After we will change the names of the layers. Again change the layer name. Select the layer and go to the load selection, open, then I have already sofa selection. Click to add mask. By select the layer again and go to the select menu. We will open load selection. Then click to channel, I have already saved selection. Again click to add mask. Create the 2 duplicate layer, press the Ctrl+J. You can select any color by opening solid color. Then right-click to create a clipping mask. Go to change the blending mode, multiply. Select the layer, now change the blending mode, color dodge. Go to the image adjustment, open levels, adjustment the shining in sofa. Follow the step. Then OK. Again change the layer name, color dodge. Select the layer now. Again change the blending mode, linear burn. Again go to the image adjustment, open the levels with adjustment shadows. Click to open solid color. Pick tool to pick any color. Change the blending mode, multiply. Again open the color plane, add any background color. Now I will show you before and after. Select the both layers, create group, press the Ctrl+G. Group layer, change layer name. Again check before and after. Hope you like this video very much. Subscribe my channel, don't forget press the bell icon.